Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've run into the dreaded blue screen of death or BSOD on your Windows 11 PC, don't panic. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through how to fix it, prevent it, and get your computer running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a blue screen error? Well, it's Windows' way of saying something serious went wrong, like a driver crash, hardware issue, or corrupt system file. You'll usually see a sad face and a message like your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. First, try a simple restart. Force a restart by pressing on the power button. Sometimes a temporary glitch causes the blue screen, and a reboot can fix it. If the error keeps coming back, move to the next steps. If you have an intermittent blue screen error and you're sometimes able to log in, enter the Windows recovery environment. To do that, run this simple command. If not, and every time you boot, you just see the blue screen error, there are several methods you can use to enter the Windows recovery environment. Check out the short video in the description. If the blue screen started recently, you can roll back your system using System Restore. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select System Restore. Select System Restore, click Next, then choose a restore point from the list. Click Next, Finish, and Confirm. Your system will restart and begin restoring everything back to how it was at that point in time. It's a great way to undo changes that broke your system without losing your personal files. If there are no restore points, let us look at other methods. Click on Troubleshoot again, then Advanced Options, and select the command prompt. If you're getting a blue screen error on your Windows PC, especially ones related to boot issues like inaccessible boot device or boot device not found, then these commands can actually help fix the problem. First, run this command. It is used to update the boot sector code on your system partition. It basically tells your computer how to boot properly using the correct method for newer Windows versions. Next, run this command. It writes a new boot sector to your system drive. So if your current boot sector is corrupted or missing, this command replaces it with a fresh one. Then you have this command. This one's super important. It scans your drives for Windows installations and rebuilds the boot configuration data, or BSOD. If your computer says it can't find an operating system, this command can bring it back. And finally, check Disk Scans your C drive for errors like corrupted files or bad sectors, and tries to fix them. If a damaged hard drive is causing the blue screen, this might solve it. These commands can be a lifesaver when you're stuck at a blue screen and nothing else works. Now try booting into your system. If your PC boots successfully but it's acting weird, like apps crashing, slow performance, or weird error messages, then run these commands. First, run this command. It checks for corruption in the system image that Windows uses to build or repair itself. It connects to Windows Update, grabs clean files, and fixes anything that's broken behind the scenes. This one scans your actual system files and replaces any that are missing or corrupted with the correct ones. Running both of these can fix a ton of hidden problems here, even if your system seems fine now. Think of it like giving your PC a mini tune-up. So yeah, if your system boots but feels off, these two commands are a great way to clean things up after a blue screen of death. If all fails, resetting Windows 11 from the Windows recovery environment can be a powerful way to fix a stubborn blue screen of death. Resetting Windows reinstalls the operating system, but you get the choice to keep your personal files or remove everything. It's like starting fresh without needing a full reinstall from USB. Pick the one that suits your situation. After that, just follow the on-screen steps. Windows will take care of the rest. This is usually your last resort, but it's a really effective way to wipe out whatever is causing that blue screen and get your system stable again. Forgot about safe mode. It also can help. Safe mode can also help in fixing the blue screen of death. Let's talk about how to boot into safe mode using the Windows recovery environment. Click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. Hit Restart. After it restarts, you'll see a list of options. Press the number key for safe mode, usually number 4 or F4. Now your system will boot into safe mode, and you can start digging into whatever's causing that blue screen. Safe mode is like Windows with the training wheels on. It only loads the most essential drivers and services. That means if a blue screen is being caused by something like a bad driver, broken software, or a startup program, safe mode can often bypass it. Once you're in safe mode, you can uninstall recent updates or drivers, run virus scans, use system restore, or just troubleshoot without the system crashing on you. I hope one of these methods helped you fix that frustrating blue screen error on Windows 11. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Windows tips and tech tutorials. Stay healthy and see you next time.